Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to treat a very important point. But first of all, let me ask you, are you still working the hard way? I don't know whether you get this point. Spending hours on tasks that could be done in just a minute. If your answer is yes, then you need to pay attention to this video. Because I'm about to tell you or to share with you what will completely change how you approach your daily life. AI tools are not the future. Yeah, AI tools are not the future. They are the present. And guess what? You are missing out in lots. You are missing out on a big time saver, money saver, and life saver of the 21st century. Okay? Now take it. AI, or artificial intelligence they call it, isn't just tech jargon. It is not. It is a revolution. If you don't know it now. AI tools are digital assistants designed to make your life easier. Whether it is writing, planning, designing, or even shopping, there are an AI tools that can do this for you. If you don't know, yes, for you. If you don't know. Well, let me break it down. Think about all the boring, repetitive tasks, or you do every day. Mails, scheduling, brainstorming ideas. Now imagine writing email in just a second with ChatGPT. I know most of us must have heard about ChatGPT not today. Planning your day perfectly with Notion AI. Most of us also must have heard of that, but they don't know how to use it. I will still make a video on how to use some of these AI tools, just to put us through. Even creating stunning presentation with Canva Magic Design is possible. Yeah, these tools don't just save time; they give you back control over your day. Yes, got it. So now, here is how you can start using AI today. Okay. Use Grammarly to improve your writing instantly. You know what is Grammarly? Yeah. If you don't know how to use it, I will still make video on how you can go about navigating through the app to enable you achieve your tasks. So Grammarly, whether it's works email or essay, it's like having a professional editor in your pocket. That is how I refer to Grammarly. Then another one is Zapier. You automate tasks with Zapier. Connect your app so that they can work for you while you focus on the other big stuff you have for the day. Track your fitness goal with AI-powered app like MyFitnessPal. It's an app. It's like having a personal trainer 24/7. Yeah. So all these tools they are helpful. Is a go with me. If you don't know or if not started on adapting yourself to use of modern technology, you are lagging behind. So now the truth is, if you're not using AI in this modern age, you are getting left behind. And just like I just said, imagine spending 5 hours doing something AI can do in 5 minutes. Can you imagine that? That is not just insufficient. So it is a waste of your potential. Yeah, spending hours doing what AI. So it's not a bad thing to have all these AI tools like ChatGPT. Some using that you can use it. It makes us or the user. It makes the users lazy. No, it is not. It's making the work done easier, easy peasy. So it is not a waste of potential. AI isn't here to replace you or whatever. It is here to elevate you. You have to understand that. Yeah. So I want you to stop thinking this is too complicated. Most of us used to think so many things that it is too complicated to use. No, it is not. You don't need to become or to be a tech expert. These tools are built for everyone, even you, even the old people in the village, students, professionals, entrepreneurs. You are not. You are not an. So you watching this video, you too can use it. It's not meant for only professionals or technocrats. And the best part of it, many of them are free or cost less than your monthly coffee budget. most of all these apps are free. Like the ChatGPT, you can get free version of it. The Notion AI, you can get free version of that. Yeah, version of it. Or even if you need to upgrade, just little amount, you can afford it. Okay. Then here are your challenge. Because I know it's not just because all of us, most of us, will have a challenge in having or getting word or getting used to, So, what you have to do is just to pick one tool, pick one AI tool, just one from this list. You have to download it, try it out today, use it to tackle that one task you've been dreading, and then tell me, didn't it just save you hours? Didn't it feel like a magic? Because that's what AI does. It turns impossible into easy peasy. I must say that. I, for one, I've been using it. I do use some. I use ChatGPT. I use so many of them. Even Suno AI and Notion AI. I use it for different, whatever it offers, and it saves me time. It saves me energy. It saves me stress. So what are we talking about? Now, just for you to know, the world is moving very fast, and AI is a leading. How am I going to put it? AI is leading the charge. So don't get left behind. Start using these tools today, and watch how your life will transform. Subscribe and follow and share this video with someone who needs to hear about this. Together, we will unlock the power of AI and take control of our future. Let's go there.